I'm Emily Burns, ISG's Admissions and Enrollment Manager. We're excited that you're interested in International Schools Group, and we encourage you to apply. Families that join ISG will move through the following stages of the application process. Your first step is to apply. You can access the online application on ISG's website. Then, after you submit the application form, you will receive a checklist of documents to submit. These vary depending on the applicant's age, nationality, and previous schooling. Typically, applicants upload passport copies, report cards, contact information for current teachers and administrators, and standardized test reports. Once you've submitted your application and all required documents and paid the application fee, our admissions team will review the documents and let you know if there are any additional requirements. The admissions staff will determine whether an assessment is needed, and they'll schedule your child for that assessment. Only applicants with complete files will be invited for assessments. After your application and all assessments are complete, we will review your child's full application and send you an admissions decision. Please note that if the grade level is full, your child may be placed in a wait pool. For those who are accepted, the final step is enrollment. Your admissions specialist will help you submit all enrollment requirements prior to the start of school, including enrollment agreement, payments, government documents, and medical forms. Applications will be accepted in 2 rounds. Please see our website for the application dates and deadlines. If you apply during the first 2 rounds of admissions, you're guaranteed to receive your child's admissions decision by the published decision date. Applications submitted after the first 2 rounds will be reviewed on a rolling basis. Rolling admissions applicants will be assessed starting in May, and we will continue to accept rolling admissions until all seats are filled in the grade or year group. Please remember that applications must be complete to be considered for an admissions deadline. A complete application includes the application form, the required documents, and payment of the application fee. Please take some time to review our frequently asked questions section, where you'll find important information about transportation, uniforms, dress codes, school lunches, learning support, and so much more. We're excited about your interest in ISG, and we hope that you choose to join our ISG school community. Our friendly and knowledgeable admissions team is eager to get to know your family and to guide you throughout your admissions journey at ISG.